Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basic. In this video, we will be learning how to download Safepal application on your Android device. To download and install Safepal on Android, first of all, go ahead and open your Google Play Store. In the search box, type in Safepal and search. Look for the Safepal crypto wallet BTC NFT application, which is displayed on the screen right now, and then tap on the install button to begin downloading Safepal on your Android device. Wait for a couple of minutes and then your application should start downloading. Safepal is a cryptocurrency wallet ecosystem that offers both hardware and software wallet solutions to help users securely store, manage, and trade their digital assets. It provides an easy-to-use interface for both beginners and experienced users. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and blockchain networks. The key feature of Safepal is that it has hardware wallet as well as software wallet, wide cryptocurrency support system, decentralized finance integration, trading and swapping, and security features which can help you keep your wallet secure and safe. After waiting for a couple of minutes, you will be able to install the Safepal wallet app. Tap on the open button once done, and there you have your wallet installed and ready to use. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.